Who rolls like that? Seriously. Hurt it.
Pebble.
Pebble.
Curve. Oh, I'm dizzy now. I would keep going. There's a pebble in my arm.
In your arm.
Or on my arm. Something. And I ran into the curb.
You poor sap.
Shut up.
And
My elbows and my arms fell on today. Roads are not my favorite things right now because I fell off my bike earlier and slid across the street.
Mary had a little lamb.
Ow!
Casey didn't.
I'm not going any farther. Turn it off.